What is good, YouTube? It's the Anonymous Sneakerhead. I'm back with another review for you and an unboxing. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Go follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. We're doing good there. Y'all showing a lot of love on the Instagram. Almost 500 followers now. Let's try to get to 500. And my goal is by the end of this week, with this video, I want to get to 50 subscribers on the channel. So let's see if we can do that. Make sure y'all smash that red button and smash that like button. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, y'all know what it is. Y'all already saw it in the description, saw it in the title. I got the Nike Air Force 1 Type Low in the Summit White colorway. It's part of the N534 series, I guess you could call it, that Nike's doing. A lot of people are calling it fake Off-White. They want to do it. It looks like something that Virgil might have done. I've heard some people call it knockoff-white and a bunch of different things. I haven't seen the shoe yet. So far, I'm a little skeptical just because resale prices aren't what I thought they would be. This is a shoe that I really wasn't planning on wearing. I did get it in my size, but I thought I'd be able to flip it. It doesn't look like I'd be able to do that, but we'll see. Without further ado though, let's get into the box. First thing, y'all know what it is. Nike Sneakers app. They send you this stupid ass box with this Just Do It tape and the big Nike check, so that way that everybody in your neighborhood knows that you have a shoe sitting on your front porch, and if it's delivered before you're home, they could just come grab it and they got themselves a free shoe. Nike, y'all need to fix that. I don't think y'all watch this video anyway, but you know what it is. Anyways, let's get into the video. Take my knife out, we'll cut in. Make sure not to cut the box up. Alright, y'all, so right away, here we go. Like I said, part of that 354 collection. So when you open the box, the first thing you have on the top of this box, N354. We'll get into more about exactly what Nike's doing with that whole line later, but let's get the box out. Little bubble situation. Alright, y'all, here's the box. Brown box. Like I said, a lot of people are calling this the Knock-Off-White, and I haven't even opened the box yet, and I can see why. Like you said, on the top of the box we got the N354 branding, but I could already see where the Knock-Off-White comparisons are coming from just by looking at the box. If you get to the back of the box, you got the word Nike written in big block writing. On the side, you got a swoosh here, and then this is the funniest part of it to me. Y'all can't tell me that that's not Knock-Off-White. That's Off-White branding right there, without it being Off-White branding. You can't tell me that they're trying to grab some more money from what they were doing with that collaboration. Anyways, y'all see what it is right here, size 12 in the official colorway. Let's see what this is. It is the Nike Af1 Type, the official colorway. We got Summit White, Red Orbit, and White. So boom, size 12. Let's open it and let's see what we're working with. It's my first time seeing the shoe. We're gonna open it. Boom, and we got, this isn't even the regular Air Force 1 paper with the stars on it and everything. You got regular blank tissue paper here, and let's see what we got. The shoe looks nice right here. Let's take out the right shoe first. Boom. Let's see what we're working with. Alright, so here's the right shoe. As you can see, it's been obviously a little bit deconstructed. You have this, it looks like a handwriting, but it's obviously not. They print it, it's the same on every shoe, but it looks like handwriting. It says N354 on the lateral side of the shoe. No Nike swoosh. And you have what looks like, let's see, you got this little strap here. Can you adjust that? Will it tighten the shoe? It looks like it will. It may make the shoe lock down better. We'll see more about that later. But boom, you got that strap around the outside of the shoe. Regular Air Force 1 toe box with this thick piece of rubber wrapped around the front of it. Once again, like an off-white shoe. And oh, I'm sorry about that. Once again, like an off-white shoe, they added a whole bunch of new elements, making it look more deconstructed, more like an unfinished prototype shoe. And now, this is the best part of the shoe to me. Y'all can't see it yet, but I have. When we get to the medial of the shoe, boom, you can really see it looks like a little see-through situation, so you can see the strapping system and the lockdown system and how the shoe works on the inside. You still have, like I said, this thick rubber piece wraps all the way around. Leather quality overall is pretty good. And one more thing I'm noticing, let me check and see if this is on the other shoe. It's not. They're the same on both sides. Okay. So the first thing I'm noticing, we get this tag right here. This tag, and it feels like a receipt, a flimsy piece of paper. You know how on the Off-Whites you get that thick plastic tag that you can really wear with the shoe? There's no way you can wear this shoe for more than 30 seconds without completely destroying this tag. But let's see what it says. At the top, we got that N354. N354 captures the innovative nature of Nike while creating a place to test ideas. So like I said, it's a test prototype type situation. So it's a test shoe. Continue, it says, this N354 label collection explores fit, comfort, and what does that say? And rethinks convention from the inside out. Risk plus stress equals for the win. What does that even mean?
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It
gets the people going.
Risk plus stress, FTW. Anyways, and it has this little drawn Nike logo. But this is a little flimsy tag. Probably going to be getting rid of that. What's it attached to? It is attached. It's going through the tongue. Did they just shoot that? Okay, there's a. So when you look at the tongue, guys, we got this nice blue, deep blue tongue. It looks comfy, not like your regular Air Force One tongue. A little bit more cushioning, and I can't tell. There's little holes in the tongue. Okay, so they did put that tag through one of the holes in the tongue. Cool. And then back to the lateral side of the shoe, we got this little orange piece right here. All right. So now, honestly, guys, I just want y'all to leave in the comments really what you think about this shoe. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it on foot or not. I think I'm gonna sit on this and let it stay dead stock, and just keep my eye on what happens with resale prices. If you guys follow the Instagram and I don't like what's happening with the resale prices, you'll probably end up seeing it on foot soon. But yeah, man, just looking at this shoe, now that I have it in person, obviously I've seen pictures of it, I really see why people are calling it the knockoff-white. It's obviously not an Off-White by Virgil. We got this little orange pop and a little bit of deconstruction on the outside. It's the same Nike toe box, same tongue. Let's see what we got. We got a red insole here with some writing on there, some labeling in there. Let me see, make sure we got everything out of the box. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, there's no more laces in there. As y'all can see, both of the shoes are identical. In the front. Boom. I was hoping maybe they would send me some more laces. They didn't. But yeah, y'all, what do you think? Nike Air Force One N354. To me, it looks a little bit like it says Nest. I don't know if that's something they're doing on purpose. This little annoying tag right here. Right now, because I'm keeping it dead stock, I'm going to keep the tag off. But to wear it, you definitely can't wear the shoe with this tag on. It will just tear to shreds immediately. This little rubber piece is interesting. It would be cool if it was something that was kind of like removable or Velcro in a way, I guess. Because it does look like it'll protect your shoe from scuffing. I think that's what they're trying to do. And I think they want this to be a more comfortable Air Force One. So you have this strap right here. Because a lot of Air Force Ones run pretty big. So you could feel back here when you pull the strap. You might be able to see it a little bit. You could tighten the shoe or you could loosen it up more. So that's a nice little touch. But yeah, guys, that's it. The Nike Air Force One Type 354 collection, summer white colorway. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, guys, like I said, these are definitely a flop. I'm still gonna try to sell them. I'm not gonna try to get a bunch of money for them. Just want to get my money back. Leave down in the comments if you want to buy them. Follow my Instagram. I'll post them on Instagram. DM me on Instagram if you want to buy them. Right now, they're only going on Go app for $155. They retailed for $140. So it's really people just trying to get their money back. I'm not gonna sell them for any more than that. They're a size 12. DM me if you're interested. Leave it in the comments if you're interested, and I'll send them out to you as soon as possible if you buy them. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know what it is, the Anonymous Sneakerhead. My Instagram's going to be floating up here somewhere, or floating up there somewhere. Wherever I put it, it's definitely going to be in the description. Make sure to follow it. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe. And now that all that's done, man, I'll see y'all next week with the next video.